since last month maybe, my the vineyard, I call it vineyard. You know, vineyards are for grapes, but I just term this one as vineyard because most of my vine vegetables, green vegetables, are placed here. And it's been crushed just last month because of an orange rainfall. An orange rainfall here in the Philippines is already a flash of rain and a bit flooding. And since the grapes here, this is a demolished house, it's already very brittle. So it just came down and crashed. So I've been losing all my climbers, the vine climbers. The ampalaya, I just let it die for me. Meanwhile, that I'm not able to fix it, will be repairing this one. Because, of course, we really need to have fresh organic foods. Not always buying on markets for those that are used with chemicals, right? Sometimes we should also maintain the balance of our food, not always depending on chemical foods. Anyway, so what I'm having here mostly that have grown here are squash. So even on rainy season, that the squashes are very much very fast growing, we cannot avoid the very much known hazards of our garden, or mostly on our vegetable plants, especially in container. So since these are container plants, mostly that I encounter, the pests that I encounter here, that attacks here are spider mites, the red spider mites, but mostly on rainy season are the mealybugs. So wherever in this container garden here, all the plants are very prone to mealybugs. And for now, the last year I had spider mites attacking my squashes. But now since it's very rainy for the full 2 months already, I think 2 months already, and the mealybugs have been attacking the squashes. And here I have brought some samples so that you can see how these mealybugs intrude in our squashes. So that's why you wonder why it is that it keeps on raining and then the squashes keeps on growing also, but they have very ugly features like they have small leaves, or the yellowing of leaves, and the thinning of the stems, and the flowers are also getting smaller. Even if you, especially if you miss doing fertilizer or giving it condiments or water tea. Like if you have regular water tea, like me, I put regular water tea. When I miss 1 to 2 days, then I can see the change in my squashes. The flowers will become smaller, and it's like they are thinning, and the leaves are yellowing, and most of the flowers just fall down. So anyways, let's not go further to our supposed to be topic. So I have here samples, as you can see here. Wait, I'll make it much clearer. See how fat is the mealybug? It is going to be occupying your squashes. Mostly in my plants here, the mealybugs don't get this fatter, but because the squashes are very big, or how do I say it? They are big absorber of water. They absorb a lot of water. They also get inside here on the joints of the branch itself here. They get inside, they penetrate inside. Once they get to penetrate inside, the whole stem, this one, will really be killed. Even if how healthy it is, your squashes will really have a big or a lot of damage, will occur a lot of damage, because this is here the pathway of the water of their supplements. I don't incline myself to apply chemicals because this will be our food supply. That's why I prefer to maintain it more organic. So what I did in my squash is here so that it will produce. Though I've only produced just once, it's really hard to maintain an organic container vegetable plants. It's not easy because you will really encounter a lot of pests, and you will have to learn all the tricks to keep them away from your plants. Here in the crush part of my supposed to be vineyard, supposed to be trellis of the vines. Most of the mealybugs can get easily because mostly they came from the grounds. Yeah, they root from the grounds, and so they could climb up. Since it fell, so they get easily with all the climbers and okay, so let's go back to the squashes. So what I do here to maintain it as organic as it is that I keep on pruning on the parts that are damaged, those that have the tip, like this one. Wait, it's really far ahead. Those ones, the tips, when the tips are clearly not are like, it's obvious that it won't grow anymore, so you have to cut it. And some extra stems that are growing, it will just absorb the extra nutrients that are supposed to be on the flowers, and they're supposed to be fruits, the flowers becoming fruits. So I keep on trimming it so that, because on that part there are mealybugs also staying, so as long as I keep on trimming it, the plants will just sustain itself. I will survive as long as you will see that the greens are maintaining in some parts, then the plant will be just fine. Just keep on trimming it. And anyways, when you will be trimming it, the parts that you have trimmed will not go to waste, but will go back to the compost. So in this part here, I haven't produced any, but it keeps on flowering, but it just can't proceed on becoming a fruit because of the mealybugs. As you know, there are plants here below that are being put together and are gathering here, so the mealybugs are really rampant. So when it's able to climb here, usually it ends to climbing here and just eat all up and absorbs the nutrients of the squashes. But luckily we have one. Just keep, my secret is just keep on pruning. And if you're really lazy on pruning, you can use this one. This is the spray gun or gun spray. I put here soap, just a little of soap and oil, cooking oil. That is an organic solution of pesticide, organic pesticide. So keep it more organic. Just keep on trimming anyway. You can put it on your compost. You don't really need a lot of. You don't really need a bushy squash. All you need is for it to bear fruit. This is a sign of successful fruit. Here, as you can see, there's a mealybug. I'm really gonna kill it. See, it just go anywhere, especially the fruits. This is supposed to be very shiny. very shiny one, then you should be taking good care of it already because it will be a successful squash fruit. Mostly, the other time my squash also just the squash fruit of the other time grew at the center of the vineyard there, in the middle, and now it is for now the second time it's there in front as we will be entering the garden house. See, they really want to catch attention already. Like okay, so my topic is really how to make it very much organic to produce a squash, not relying on chemicals. So that's it. The 2 points is trimming it, keep on trimming on the damaged part. Those that have discontinuing growing of the stem, and those extra stems that are not flowering so much or not leafing. And this one is the last option, organic. And this releases not a lot of pressure, so you can spray on the leaf